friends, this is Enrique76. I have another unboxing review. Condor 1 solar emergency radio from iRonsnow. Let's open it. Includes radio with built-in battery, instructions, strap, and charging cable, and this is I'll show you in a minute. AM FM radio with antenna. This is the volume, and this is you have to turn on too.
Road near Bitters is celebrating Black Friday and Small Business Saturday with a fabulous deal.
One
For every
switch.
$50 you spend in store, you'll get a $5 coupon to use
And this
in
is when
December
you
and January. Find
turn
one-of-a-kind
the
gifts,
bands in here.
stylish treasures.
The flashlight button, high beams, deep beams, and both beams. Friend, it looks great. Friends, they have solar panel in the top. Friends, they have a little whistle right here. And they have emergency little knife. And you put it back in here. And you press this in here. This is the knife. And they have the little compass in here. This is waterproof in here. This is for the headphone jack. This is USB and USB-C output. This one is to charge your battery, and the next one is for charge your phone. This is the reading lamp. Turns on when you open it. Press the flashing light button for 3 seconds for emergency alarm and press again to turn it off. Charge the radio at least once every 3 months. Use the hand crank in case you forgot to charge your battery, only in the emergency. So you can do this. Turn the handle for 3 minutes for the beam or radio. You can put the strapping in here. See, one is not necessary, but I like it. This is why you can carry it. It's not really heavy. Friends, this is a great solar emergency radio to have for the bad weather days. Very convenient. Friends, click in the link below to receive a discount and help me to earn a small commission. Friends, I like this little radio for emergency. It's not too bad. I like it. They have a lot of stuff. Lights, a radio, alarm. Friends, thank you for the support. Enrique76. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a likes. And see you in another video.